Click button. If all your configurations are correct, you will receive a success response, and your message will be sent successfully. Let's go. Open Msgp Server on your Android device. Allow permission to send and view SMS messages. If you already have an account, enter your phone number and tap the Get OTP Code button. How to download Msgp Server app or create a new account will be in a separate video. Please follow the link in the video description. Allow permissions for contacts and notifications. Wait for the OTP message. The 6-digit code will be entered automatically, and you'll be logged in. Go to your desktop. Open your favorite browser, type Msgp Server. Click on the first website link at the top of the search results. QR code will be displayed on website. If you need help or have any questions, contact us on Facebook, YouTube, or Gmail. Go to the app navigation bar and click the QR icon. Then, click the Link a Device button and scan the QR code to create a new session on your desktop. The connected devices are shown in the device status. You can also delete devices if needed. How to use the SMS gateway in my project. API documentation. How can I send SMS using PHP? How can I send SMS using Android? How can I send SMS using Python? How can I send SMS using Django? Here is the authentication key ID. Click this link. How can I send SMS using Android? Create a new project. Open Android Studio. Go to Projects, New Project, Empty Views Activity and click Next. Set the project name to SMS Send. Choose language as Java and click Finish. Android manifest.xml file. Don't forget to add the internet permission in the Android manifest XML file. Activity main.xml file. This code using your project. Main activity.java. Change authentication ID and authentication key. Copy and paste 32-character authentication ID and 32-character authentication key. Copy this code using your project. Server return response status. This code. Return success response. Return error response. If you satisfied this answer, yes. Open Android Studio and go to File, New Project. Select Empty Views Activity. Then click Next. Set the project name to SMS Send, choose Java as the language. And click Finish. Wait for the app to build. App. Manifests. Android manifest.xml. Java. Main activity.java. Res. Layout. Activity main.xml. Remove this line. Check if the empty project is working by running the default Hello World project. Open the documentation. Navigate to Android manifest.xml. Select the code. Copy it. And paste it. Activity main.xml file. Locate the text view code. Text view to select this code. Copy. Select and paste it. Main activity.java. Select this code. Copy. And paste into the app compat activity. To remove this error, press Alt plus Enter. Select all the code in the text view. Copy it. And paste it. Remove any extra brackets. Then, import the required module by pressing Alt plus Enter. Sender. Change phone number with country code +91. Auth ID. Change authentication ID. Auth key. Change authentication key. Authentication ID. Click Authentication Key ID. Select. And copy Authentication ID. Replace 32-character Authentication ID. Authentication Key. Select. And copy Authentication Key. Replace 32-character Authentication Key. Change the phone number. To send a message. Run the project. Open Logcat. Click button. If all your configurations are correct, you will receive a success response, and your message will be sent successfully. Remember your SIM card provider to recharge the 100 free SMS plan or balance included with your SIM. Reload the page to check the message sent count. Good luck with your project, and thank you for watching.